Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Let me turn this down a little bit. Let's see. Hi, everyone. Coming in, coming in, coming in. Happy Tuesday. How's your day going? Coming in, coming in, coming in. Hi, everybody. Hello, YouTube and Facebook. So I am broadcasting simultaneously on YouTube as well as Facebook. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk immigration. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Let's give it a little time. Come on in. Say hello when you come on. Say hello when you come on. Let me know you're here. So I always say I can see the number of people, but I cannot see names. So unless you actually leave a comment, then I can see who it is. But hi, everyone. This is Attorney Avisela Ole Samuel, immigration lawyer based in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. Yeah, I can say that in my sleep. Hi, everybody. Hello, everyone. How's your day going? Happy Tuesday. So, for the most part, unless I have court, which I had yesterday, but unless I have court, most of the time my weekdays starts Tuesday. So I try to work from home on Monday. The weekend is really long. So it's like, okay, yeah. But anyway, come on in. Hope your week is going well. So if Tuesday is your Monday, then then it is what it is. But come on in. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk immigration. Say hello. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Um, YouTube, I think, is Olale Law Firm. I think. I know. Instagram, I can tell you, is Olale Immigration. For those who say Ole Immigration, at Ole Immigration. TikTok is Olale Immigration Lawyer, and Facebook obviously is the name of the law firm. And please share, invite your friends, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. I'm on LinkedIn. I just hardly ever appear there because I'm everywhere already. So yes. So anyway, please share this video. Invite your friends and families to follow us and subscribe to YouTube channel. I think I have lots and lots of content. And also on the website, olalawfirm.com. The website address is right there on the screen. So you can go on our website. There's a lot of information. I do blogs. Most of the blogs are already on the YouTube channel. But it gets all, you upload and it's like, okay, what's that? So if you go on the website, you will be able to see the videos, and it has a topic, so you will know exactly what kind of information you're looking for. But anyway, I wanted to come on real quick to talk about let's see if I have it on here. When to file a self-petition I-751. And yeah, I do wear glasses, so I have to squint and make sure I'm proofreading and everything is correct. When to file a self-petition I-751. When can you file a self-petition I-751? That's what I want to come in on today. Talk about real quick. I've been talking all day. It's been in and out of consultations, and my mouth is dry. So bear with me. So I maybe stop it and pausing from time to time because I have protein shake and water. But anyway, when can you file an I-751, a self-petition I-751? So if you need to contact our office, contact information is scrolling at the bottom of the screen. That is my personal email address, and I check my emails myself. I may be quite a couple days behind, but I will get to your email and I will respond. I always respond. My response may not be what you want, but you would always get a response from me. You can also contact us by calling 334-341-4475. Visit the website at allalawfirm.com. The best way or the fastest way for you to get a response from me, I usually say, is texting. Send me a text to the office number, and that is the fastest way to get a response from me. So because what I do is I do the text and comes to my phone. It's connected to my cell phone number, so that even when I'm not in the office, it comes to my phone, and it's with me all the time. So they've been talking all day. Okay, so let's jump right in. I-751. When can you file a self-petition I-751? And if you're going, what do you mean by self-petition? Aren't you supposed to file with your spouse? Yes. The general rule is you are required to file your 751 petition. And if you don't know what a 751 is, it's a petition you file when you are going from being a conditional resident to being a 10-year, to getting your 10-year green card, and being, you're no longer going to be a 2-year green card holder. You're going from a 2-year green card to a 10-year green card. And in order for you to do that, if you are someone who has been granted a 2-year green card, you are what we call a conditional resident. And in order for you to get a 10-year green card, then you have to file the petition to remove the conditions on on your residency. Hence the I-751 petition that you have to file. And generally, the general is you're required to file the 751 together with your spouse. The reason you get a conditional residency status to start with is because you have been married to that spouse, citizen spouse, or legal permanent resident spouse, for less than 2 years at the time you became a legal permanent resident. And if that's the case, and if that's the issue in your case, then you'll be granted a 2-year green card. In order for you to not go from a 2-year green card, that 2-year green card has an expiration date. It's 2 years, or like a 10-year green card. And in order for you to get a 10-year green card, this is the hurdle you have to cross, and you have to file with your spouse. However, there are situations where, even though that is the mandatory requirement, there is an exception where you can request a waiver of that joint filing requirement with your spouse. So what are those situations? You can request a waiver of having that joint filing requirement, meaning for USCIS to waive the requirement that your spouse signs that form with you and files jointly with you based on, number one, divorce waiver. You're married, you entered the marriage in good faith, but now you have been divorced from your spouse, but you're still required to show evidence of good faith marriage, but you're no longer with that spouse. Number two, abuse waiver. You're still required to show that you have entered that marriage in good faith, but that marriage now, because of the abuse you have suffered at the hands of your spouse, you can no longer, you're asking USCIS to waive them filing jointly with you. Number three, extreme hardship. So extreme hardship is the one waiver ground that you're not required to prove a good faith marriage. However, you have to show that if you're not granted your 10-year green card and made to leave the country, this is the extreme hardship you will be subjected to in your home country. And based on that, you're asking them to waive that requirement of having your spouse file for you. Extreme hardship ground is the only ground you do not have to prove good faith marriage, but it is the toughest ground to be able to successfully prove. So those are the grounds for which you can ask for a waiver of that joint filing requirement. Now, normally, when the time frame for you to file your 751 petition is before the second anniversary of your conditional residency status. Example, you became a conditional resident June 20, 2019. You have to file to remove the conditions of your residency by June 19, 2021. You can file that petition as early as 90 days before June 19, 2021. If you file joint filing now, you file jointly with your spouse before the 90 days. So 90 days before June will be somewhere about March 19, 2021, right? That's in 90 days. If you file anywhere earlier than the 90 days, USCIS will return your paperwork to you and tell you you're not yet eligible to file for that, to remove the condition of the residency. That's the joint filing. However, the question that is, what we're talking about today is, so when exactly, so that is the joint filing, but when it comes to the self-petition part of it, the whole point of a self-petition is this: you are requesting that rather than file with your spouse, you're requesting them to waive that requirement to have your spouse jointly file with you and allow you to self-petition this petition on your own. So to self-file your 751. Now, normally you would have to file with your spouse, and you cannot file earlier than 90 days before the second anniversary of your conditional residency. However, it is different if you are self-petitioning. If you are filing a 751 based on any of the waiver grounds, based on divorce, based on abuse, based on extreme hardship, you are actually allowed to file your 751 way much earlier than the 90 days before your second year anniversary. A lot of people don't know that, and people are like, okay, yeah, it's almost 2 years, but I've been abused all this while, and I'm looking forward to being able to file this, yada, yada, yada. But the thing is, I always say, well, why are you waiting up until 2 years if you've been going through this? And there's like, okay, isn't that when we're supposed to file? Yes, that is the general requirement. However, if you are filing a self-petition, self-based petition of the 751, meaning you're requesting that they waive that requirement to have your spouse filing, joint file with you, you're able to file your petition as soon as you become a conditional resident, between that time and as long as you're not in removal proceedings. Make sense? So basically, you do not have to wait till the 90 days before the second anniversary. If you're filing the 751 that is individual, waiving that joint filing requirement, you're filing that based on abuse, divorce, extreme hardship, you can file that your petition anytime from the time you have been deemed to be a conditional resident, as long as you're not in removal proceedings and USCIS has jurisdiction of the 751, right? So it is a misconception when you believe that you can only file your 751 within the 90-day time frame or window before your second year anniversary. You don't have to wait till then if you're filing based on any of those waiver grounds. If you're filing jointly with your spouse, you're required to file not earlier than the 90-day window before the second year anniversary. If you're filing individually based on you're filing a self-petition, you can file your petition anytime after you become a conditional resident, as long as you're not in removal proceedings. Make sense? So that's that in a nutshell. So if you are going through that and you feel like, oh yeah, this is me that you're talking to, that you may want to consult with us, and so we can discuss your case and be able to help you out and see how we can answer your questions, get you on the right track, and see what options you have. If you believe you qualify for a waiver base to self-petition your 751, give us a call, email us, text us, and we would glad to help you out at the LA Law Firm. Thank you to all those who jumped on. That was a quick video. And follow us on Instagram once again, on TikTok. Please share this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. All that will be very much appreciated. And I see some people just coming in. So the good thing is that you can always watch the replay. If this resonates with you or anyone else you know, giving information, let them watch and share. All right, everybody. Thanks. Bye-bye.